Control image size in Gemini without cropping your images. Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how to control image size in Google Gemini without cropping your images. First, the main idea is to use a blank reference image. This blank image tells Gemini what final size or aspect ratio it should follow. Open Gemini and create a simple tool that generates transparent PNG images with different aspect ratios. In Gemini, click on Tools, then select Canvas and send this on-screen prompt to create the tool. After a few seconds, Gemini will generate a small interface where you can choose common aspect ratios like 1:1, 4:3, 3:2, 16:9, or even enter your own custom ratio. For example, select 16:9 and click Download PNG. The downloaded file will look empty because it's completely transparent, but it still contains the correct image dimensions. Now this file will act as a guide for Gemini. Next, go back to Gemini and create your image normally. For example, you might prompt Gemini to generate a photorealistic frog riding a train. When generating the image, also upload the transparent 16:9 PNG together with your prompt. Because Gemini now sees the reference image, it will generate the final picture using the same image size instead of forcing a square format. In your prompt, tell Gemini to generate the image and use the second image as the reference for the final size. Gemini will expand the image area and generate new details to fill the space instead of cutting parts of the original picture. And that's how you can control image size in Gemini without cropping. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.